Okay, so this is the American flag and flagpole kit. I showed you we did an open the box tutorial, and now we're going to do an assembly tutorial. As you can see here, my husband says it's super easy. You're just putting them together, twisting and clicking. That's all it is. Then we're going to go ahead and add on our American flag here. You're going to have the little metal clasps, and all you do is you hook it, and then you're going to screw it so they stay in place. Super easy. Now this is the 3x5 foot durable flag. This has got the beautiful embroidered stars, the 4 rows on the fly hem. This came in very nice condition. It seems to be very high quality, no loose threads. The colors are gorgeous, they're vibrant. It's got the UV protectant in it, so it's not going to fade. These clips have the 360-degree anti-wrap mounting rings, which is fabulous, and it's sturdy and won't bend. This is the heavy-duty made commercial grade 1-inch diameter steel flagpole in a powder coated for lasting durability. It's got resisting wear longer, and the flag can be used outdoors and resist fading and fraying. As you can tell here, it's flying high, it's gorgeous, it's beautiful, and it's a wonderful addition to the outside of our home. We absolutely love it. We highly recommend it.